A man walks into a pet store looking for a parrot. The owner shows him 3 parrots. The first parrot costs $500. The man asks, "Why is this one so expensive?" The owner replies, "This parrot knows how to use a computer." The second parrot costs $1,000. The man asks, "What about this one?" The owner says, "This one can not only use a computer but also writes code." Then the man notices a third parrot priced at $5,000. Shocked, he asks, "What does this one do?" The owner shrugs and says, "Honestly, I've never seen it do anything. But the other 2 call it boss."